jerk off so the frame's a bit tight. I am back. The reason why this video is gonna look a bit shitty, but in like a good way, because in like a nostalgic way, is I recently seeked out our family's old camcorder that we bought when we first came to Australia. I was going through a whole bunch of old videos. Some of them were dating back to like 2011, which is kind of crazy. Oh shit, that's 11 years. Well, as of filming right now, which is the 1st of June, I think, I'll be doing the world's greatest shave. I'll be shaving all my hair off. What's fun is my friends are gonna color my hair on this Sunday. I was like, if I'm gonna cut it off, might as well just have fun with it. Nice opportunity to use this relic to document all that. Fucking. That's how long it is. It's quite long, at least for me. This is the longest I've had it for. So yeah, all this is gonna go.
We out here looking at tutorials, looking at almost like 2010 vibe tutorials with Matt. He's our tech guy.
Like an ensemble film. Matt, the tech
the victim.
Victim. What are you gonna do?
Who will be the client today? This is Sinead. She's gonna be helping out with the hair.
Yep.
We're gonna document this stuff. We'll see how we go.
And I'm Anna.
What?
Whoever's speaking, yeah, that's Anna.
Yay! Hi, cutie pie. Hi. Not from the top. From the roots. From the roots, mate.
See, I normally do from the
So weird.
new career.
Huh?
A new career.
You're preparing for fatherhood.
Yeah. What? At least he has had a shave. That's
because of 26 years of you.
Can be bad.
This is called roast Timby time.
Why does it automatically zoom in?
You have to kind of
Like fight it.
Oh, it
Mine doesn't.
automatically does it. Like you gotta do it manually, unless you're like holding on to.
Oh shit! I'm holding on to the zoom on the screen, so I'm like,
Oh my
stop.
Alright, is that enough for testing?
That's definitely enough.
You know, okay, alright. That was the perfect amount.
Yeah.
Every time with the kitchen with Sinead, things just turn out perfect.
You can do the honors.
Oh.
Oh.
See, that's smoother. See?
I feel like it's smooth.
Strange.
Oh, and the best part,
I can't control it.
the video comes out as 4:3, so it's like pushed in.
Hello.
How you feeling, Talina?
Feeling good? Feeling good.
I'm getting all the shots,
Good. We need coverage
coverage.
for the edit.
I don't watch a lot of. Yeah, I don't watch a lot of anything anymore. I want to see that movie again that we watched. That was so good. I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Everything everywhere all at once.
Yeah. This is nice. Relaxing music.
And then what you want to do is go like this, massage it. Make sure it's all in. How are you feeling about your hair?
Feeling good so far?
Yeah? You excited?
You're the one that did it.
I'm more excited. Man, the amount of times I've got close-ups of just your eyeballs.
Why are we still here?
just to suffer.
I don't know what the blue was meant to do, but I don't know. Just give a bit of blue. Yeah, they didn't have 40, so I went for 30 volume.
Feet. Are you still on me?
It's like putting on lipstick.
That's gonna be strong to smell.
Yeah!
Right up your nose.
Stop it, mate. Give me that in your mouth. Oh. Oh man.
Look,
Looks like it's so yellow on the top here.
it's kind of green there too.
What? No, it's blue, it's blue. It's from the thing.
That's
Oh my god. Almost looks like it's purple on the end. Wow. Look at that colour. Alright, do you want to wash your face?
wow.
Ready for the reveal? Oh my god. Fucking Elden Ring. Wow, new person. Illegal business on the side. Shake it! Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
I feel pretty.
They do look rather yellow.
Your face is not in frame, don't worry.
Welcome to our vlogging.
With the crew.
No, not zoom in.
I gotta go up.
There we go. Oh.
Go down a bit. Go down. See right.
We interrupt this program to show you a typical conversation with a stranger in the inner suburbs.
Good day, mate. How you going? You wouldn't happen to have a fucking ciggy, would you?
You know, mate.
Oh, fucking... Oh, you lying dog. You do have a ciggy.
You'll have to direct me again because I'm like terrible at memories and directions.
Chuck a right up. Right up here. Alright. Como star. Como star.
Left.
You know me.
I go straight. Yeah. Straight through the roundabout. And you just want to keep going.
Even if there's a pedestrian.
Till I tell you. Hey, watch it, mate.
I really want to play it.
Not this right, the next one.
It's really fun. It's chaotic.
That street's called Bleaching. Oh,
0439
Mum commented and she said
This is called Bubble Wrap.
orange.
That's what she said. That's all she said. Is orange.
Yeah, it's so cold outside.
It's like when you smell weird, man.
What's up, Lee? Hey.
Connor's out. Behind you.
Turn the fuck away. Well, if I pee myself, it won't matter because I'll be in the water.
That's on.
Oh shit.
Pee myself. Isn't that right, mate?
4 in 480p, not 4K.
What's up?
I want my cat nails.
I want your cat now too. Mine's not an indoor one. I don't know how she took it off.
I'll sit down the drain.
Yeah, it's just like, oh, I'm getting, I don't care. No, oh, nobody owns me.
okay, got it. He just acknowledged.
Better.
No, there's one with the cat. It's like cat talks or something. No, there's like.
No, like I feel like.
Oh, are you coming? Yeah, are you coming? You know, and he's like, what? And like, meow. I can say pig.
I know.
You look like the Laura. You do.
I'm revealing the thing to my mom and dad.
Red, set, go.
Exactly what. Hello. I'm actually editing at the moment, like the actual video, and just want to let you guys know, like I kind of documented everything, like the process of kind of like bleaching my hair and cutting it off. But when I was editing, I kind of like realized adding both the bleaching part and the cutting part together in like one video kind of ruins the pace of the video, because I really like the pace of sorry, this camera's kind of like hard to hold. I really like the pace I have with the edit of like the bleaching process, and like, you know, this is how I look now. It's been like a few weeks after I cut my hair off, but this is basically how I look now. My hair grows back like pretty fast. I can see it on the screen like right there. But yeah, I probably won't be adding the cutting part to the video. I'll probably just leave it at that, and just letting everyone know, like, we surpassed like our charity limit, not limit, that's sorry, the charity like baseline we had for World's Greatest Shave. Like a bunch of people donated. Love you all. Like, it meant so much, and like the actual process was so much fun, just kind of like just doing all that stuff to my hair and just having a good time with my friends. That's like what I'm all about. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Stay safe, take care of one another, love you all. I'll see you guys on the next one. Okay, bye.